So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trade on capital.com. So starting off, you'll need to go to capital.com, which is going to open up this page for you. Once you've done that, you can then click on here to create your account. And once you've created your account, either by logging in with a different account from Google or Apple ID, or creating one from scratch, you can then access the trading platform. Now, in order to start trading, you can do a couple different ways. Now, if you are new to these kind of platforms and trading in general, what I suggest is that you use a demo account. So you need to see it say here demo, and you can use that account to see what works, what's the best way for you to trade. Starting from that, you can then open up some stock. As you can see here, the exchanges for some of those may be closed, and you can see the options to buy or sell at a certain price. Now, if you aren't new, if you are an experienced trader, you can open this, and once you've completed your registration, use your real account with, of course, real funds that are added to it. So if you opened up this, you can see you can sell it at this price, so 1.9455, or buy it for 19645. So you can track the data that is given to you through that chart, and you can see some different stuff that you can see for that chart as it goes for indicators, and then you can choose whether you want to buy or sell a certain stock, and then you can grow your portfolio. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on capital.com or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.